this lesson, we will introduce AWS Lambda, a powerful service that lets you run code without provisioning or managing servers. It is part of serverless computing model, which means you focus on writing your logic, and AWS handles the infrastructure behind the scenes. Imagine you have a function that resizes images, processes payments, or sends notifications. With Lambda, you upload that code, define when it will run, and AWS takes care of everything else: scaling, patching, and availability. Lambda is event-driven. It runs your code in response to triggers like a file upload to S3, a new record in DynamoDB, or maybe a scheduled time, like a cron job. When triggered, Lambda spins up a lightweight environment, executes your function, and shuts it down, charging you only for the compute time used. In the next lesson, we'll walk through creating your first Lambda function.